Alright, Haz, remember, we're gonna have limited visibility in this thing now, so...
You guys spawned in first?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna spawn first. Let me know when you're in, Haz.
I'm in.
Alright, on you. I'm in.
Oh, shit.
Go. Alright, let's see what they got going on.
I'm gonna try to close the gap, so I'll have
Yeah,
my
go. They got... Yep, they got a chopper up already. Up.
Lock him, I got it on.
I'm in the third seat right now.
Alright, yeah, lock on there, whatever. I got my guidance on it. I missed.
Locking him. Well, here we go.
Painting. He's painted.
Hey, flares off. There's a guy at B.
I'm trying to get to B here. We're down. We got them. Okay, they had 2 guys in the chopper and 1 in the jet, so you guys should be okay on the ground right now. I'm gonna go on backside B.
I don't know where
I'm
the
gonna
guy's
spawn
at
in
here.
Spawn in
He's inside the building there.
Yeah.
Tank
spawn
front.
Where you going to have against B?
He's on top of the
I'm with,
building.
I'm with somebody.
On top of the building.
Let me repair you. Hold on. Okay, repairing
Repair.
somebody. Okay, we've got B.
Repairing.
We got 2
I'm
tanks
down.
coming in. 2 tanks coming in backside B. Backside. I got one of them down. Sorry, I got one down. You got a guy in the building. You got a guy in the building at B. Let's spawn B.
He's locked. He's targeted.
One out on the tank. Vehicles
Wow.
disabled.
2 hits.
that?
Holy crap.
Vehicles disabled at B.
Tank and
Still
Bravo.
rolling.
Disabled. Tanks disabled. I'm down.
He needs one more.
They're capping Charlie.
Alright, I'm gonna go for the helo enough.
Vehicle. Oh shit, he's repairing at B.
tank.
Go for the vehicle. Vehicle still repairing at B. He's on the flag at B.
I can't see him at Charlie. I'm at Charlie. I don't see him.
On you, Haskins.
Roger.
I killed 1 at C.
Got a lock on him. On the tank. Lock on the tank.
Damn it!
I got a shell into him. Whoever
I'm
was
getting
locked
C
on
back.
you.
I'm getting C.
Okay,
Whoa,
tanks there.
what the hell?
Go B.
What
Tank
the
at B,
hell?
tank at B.
Oh shit,
Come
sorry
here
Doc.
around.
Sorry, dude.
Come here
Jack,
around.
right below you.
Up, Haskins up.
Oh, I don't have enough room. Okay, hold on enough. Right below you,
They're
Jack.
pulling C. They're not
Dude,
below
we need
below
to
me,
get this
dude.
back. Left.
Where are they at, Jack?
I don't know.
Up,
I'm looking
up.
for 'em. I'm
Okay, sorry,
pulling C
man. I'm
again.
not giving you enough distance.
He's right below. Whoever's up on top, he's right below you. Right
Turn
below
me
you.
around, Got the tank.
I
Hey,
got
get
him.
me over A. I'm gonna get out and cap it. You guys need help. Oh, tank. Up.
Doc, I have no idea how we flipped that.
I don't know. It's alright. I'm on you here in a second.
Get me up. Shit. That's because
You
we got a
okay?
chopper
Oh,
on
B.
our ass.
Flare.
Lock on him.
Ooh, I got the flares out, but he's on our ass.
On the roof.
You lock on him, Doc?
I'm trying to. There he goes. Go.
Okay, I got flares out.
Down at Bravo.
There's 3 on the roof of B.
He's locked.
Get me up.
I got
him.
him. Too high.
I disabled him. Sorry, enough.
Yeah, it's alright. He's going down.
He's gonna try to repair.
Pulling B. Alright, we're
He's
gonna.
down.
Yep, we're pulling B. I'm gonna spawn you some repairs.
Yeah,
He bailed.
They bailed over C.
He bailed.
Behind your
I got
tank.
him.
Nice.
Got
Whoever
it, got
shot
it.
him.
You got tank rolling into B from Alpha. Hey, got a bailer. Got a bailer at C.
Oh. Okay, now
Locking on the
with you.
tank.
Spot him out enough. If you see
Yeah,
him.
he's over here by the oil
Locked.
tanks.
He's up top, he's up top. He killed me, shit.
Shit,
Still a
I'm down
tank
at
at
C.
B.
2 at C, on the bottom floor.
Wow.
Yeah,
Got
there's
one.
one on
Get their
That
tank
dude is
on top.
lethal with that
That's all
thing. Holy crap.
There's another one.
Can't
There's
see
another
him.
one,
Where's
so
he
see.
at?
Tank is still up at Bravo.
Yep. You guys need help at
Capping
B?
Bravo. They're
Yeah,
capping Bravo.
Alright.
I'm at Charlie. I don't know where the guy's at.
There's a guy on the roof on the other warehouse at B.
Yep, I see him.
Is the guy still at Charlie up high?
I don't know. I'm here at C if you want to go to B. I'll flip for him.
Roger.
Maybe we should push around to A. Try to flank him.
Okay.
Ah, shit. Yeah, they got us beat in. I'm gonna spawn main and bring a tank up.
Try to cap Alpha.
I got the guy that was repairing them. I need help at B. That tank is on my ass.
I'm shooting jabs at him now.
2 tanks at B. 2 tanks at B. Shit. Down. Get some locks on him.
Hold up,
I don't
somebody. Repairing.
I can't get a lock on him.
Damn that dude.
Yeah, I couldn't lock on him either. They're capping A. I'm going main.
You were over half
All right.
health and he killed you.
I know. His guy's going 3rd C because I can see his red light.
Oh. He must be getting you with guided then.
Yeah. That's alright. We got the
Their
bleed,
choppers
so
up. Their choppers up. Yeah, let's
lock on their chopper so I can take
Hold
them
these
out.
2 points, but they bailed out. They bailed.
No, can
I'm at B with the tank.
I'm moving up to B.
Tank. He's going to C.
Yeah, I'm rolling into C with the tank right now. Stay at B.
I'm trying to hit him. Tank coming into C.
Yeah, if he doesn't F me up. Alright, I'm coming back.
Alright, Nev, I'm on the ground. I think
They're on the flag, he's on flag.
Tank down at B.
Okay. Oh!
They're down. They're down.
I'm coming.
Alright, hold up.
I
Let me repair
I
you.
had no lift.
You're right.
Come on, guys. We can do this.
Alright, go.
Go B.
Go.
Pick me up, though.
I'm dead. Running my gun.
You're
Watch
good,
the
you're
ropes. Who's at B? We are. Okay.
I'm right with armor.
I got an idea. I'm gonna.
I'm
going by
I
you guys,
spawned
watch
with
out.
somebody until the heal's back. I got your 3rd seat, somebody.
We need to pull A. Got B. I'm gonna go pull A right now.
I'm at A.
Chilling between A and B.
Hey, there's a guy on the backside of A right now. Backside.
Here we come, around the
I'm
corner.
pulling A right now. 2 tanks coming into A. 2 tanks coming into A. Copy. I'll move up to A.
We move up, I'm behind you.
Tango right at B.
Repairing you, somebody. Alright, hold up.
Right at B.
Okay, go.
Oh, I got you. 3 tanks
Go
coming
ahead.
into A. Are you good,
Don't
Ox?
tell me where he's at now.
Down. You lost him? 3 tanks coming into A. Crap. I'm getting locked. If you die, you need to get the helicopter.
Oh, javelin for the win.
Hazikins, helicopter.
Okay, I'm still alive.
They're capping C. I'm
I'm
heading
going.
C.
I'm going back to C. I'm going back to C.
I don't see any tanks. He's on the
There's on
backside of the refinery
Yeah,
right
they're
now.
on-
Ellie's up. Lock.
Left side,
Lock.
left side, Ox, left side.
He bailed.
Two
He's on the roof at
Bailed
A.
on the roof.
Damn it.
Bailed on the roof.
He's down. You got him.
Got him.
I got
Where
C.
we
I
hit?
got C.
You guys go back to Bravo.
Go Bravo.
Dead.
Tank, go Bravo. Tank, go
Got-
Bravo.
Got a tank locked. Fire.
Go.
Got
go
him.
Bravo.
I got him. Got a hit on him.
Locking again. Oh, it's a Jeep. Shit. Sorry.
Tank, go to Bravo. Tank and C, go to Bravo.
I need to ride somebody. Oh, never mind. You need repairs?
Heli's coming
Tank.
up.
Oh, they're on the ground at C.
He's right there in front of us. He's right there in front of
Yeah,
us.
I got him.
Heli's locked.
I got him, Jack.
Heli's
Keep
locked.
the lead.
I need help at C. I got one more at C
I'm
somewhere.
coming. I'm 2 seconds, 2 seconds.
I'm waiting for my reload.
He
Sorry.
bailed over A. He's on the roof.
He's on the roof, yep.
He's on 3rd floor. I can see him now. He's looking at you. 3rd floor. 3rd floor.
I got another one on the ground. They're all spawning over here like fucking cockroaches.
Yep. There's 3rd one. Oh shit.
All right, I'm
Take
gonna
right in front
repair
of
you.
us, take right in front of us.
Going
Okay,
3rd
hold up,
floor.
hold up. Repairing. Still repairing.
He's gonna kill you right there.
The shit is he at? I hear a tank. I hear a tank.
Yep.
Ah,
Tank.
Shit.
I know. I'm
Where's the
getting up.
tank at?
I'm getting up high.
good job.
Where's the tank at, guys?
He's at
One
Bravo
on the
inside
yeah,
the,
we have-
Oh, he just
the
killed me.
garage.
He just killed me. It's Citizen.
We got Bravo back. We're losing A.
I mean Alpha, sorry.
Yeah, there's a tank sitting in the mid alpha.
Okay. I'm headed up
Jeep
there.
coming around side. I'm spotting them out.
Vehicle's disabled. One more. He's repairing.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh,
Whoa, I'm lagging
Nice.
bad.
Do you see that?
Yeah, that was
The
beautiful.
Jeep?
Yeah. That was some sexy moves,
There's
man.
two of them in there. Oh, I'm down. We got a jet up. They were trying to cap our stuff. They were gonna bail out, I think.
On the roof there, Alpha.
Yeah, where is he? There he is.
That's alright, we got the bleed, so keep the 2 flags.
I'm at B
Headed up to
right
A.
now.
50
I got the
point,
helo.
50 ticket lead right now.
Where's he at? No, where's he at? No, there's
He's
a tank.
over there by the road. He's still in
Alright.
the tank.
I'm coming.
Okay, we're coming up backside of Bravo. Where they at?
Oh,
Spot them out. Spot them out.
Watch out,
He's
Oz.
on. He's a roadside.
Yeah, I'm
so the
down.
roadside is C.
Tank,
Think
Charlie.
suicide killing me.
You need there's a ticket, Charlie?
Yeah.
On the road.
I just spotted it.
He's
Oh,
down.
nice.
Good
got
job,
him.
good job, good job.
I got a couple of eyes.
You got 2 guys on foot coming in.
Haskins,
Oh, you got somebody in there. Haskins, pick me up at Z. Right here.
Right there.
Come down.
Another guy.
Go.
Another
Get
one.
me up. Go to B. Tank at B. Aim up.
There's a guy on top of the roof
I
in
missed.
Alpha
He's
shooting
down
down at
below
us.
us.
Okay, let me repair you. Oh shit, there's a tank.
Get me up high. Tank's
Good
down.
job. Alright,
Down.
let me repair.
Go
Hang
away.
on.
They're on the roof at A by the AC containers.
Yes, they are.
One down. I think that should be it.
No, there's
Watch.
Kappa Charlie, Kappa
Cap
Charlie.
A. Cap A.
Do you want us to go to Charlie? Helo?
Yep. Head
Helo
Hilo,
Charlie.
Charlie. Who's shooting at them?
Lock,
It's
stop.
coming from the hill to the right.
Got one of them.
Alright, Ox, I got you. Let's go.
Right behind you guys in the tank. Right behind you. He's got it. Rocket on you.
Then we got them all.
Up. Plane. Up,
He's gonna be
up.
around there.
There
Did
he
you see
is.
that? I got that plane.
Nice job.
Go away. Tanks coming into A.
Armor coming in.
Not for long, baby.
Ah,
Not for long.
I was repairing,
I
but not
couldn't
in
see
time.
him. Damn, it feels good to beat these guys.
Up. Turn me around. Down. Too high.
Armor
We
coming
must have
backside
a
Alpha.
helo on us stuff.
Yeah. Get out of here. Go.
I'm down.
I'm at A. I'm not pulling it. I don't know where they're at.
He's up.
Flares.
Locking onto him, hang
Pulling
on.
A now. I'm pulling A now.
We're toast.
No, we're not. Keep going.
No, keep
Fire.
going. We got him.
He's locked.
Jumper's painted.
Down.
He's painted.
We're down.
Got
Boom, got him.
Nice.
Sorry, a little too late, guys.
That's alright. Go away.
That rocket took forever to get there.
Tank, armor, right
see it.
side of Bravo.
They're at B. I'm
going
spawning B.
flanker.
Good job.
Going flanker.
So,
No,
Just
we're
went
going
into
flanker
the
B.
building.
6 ticks.
Yeah.
5.
I got A. About to cap in here. 2 seconds.
Phenomenal job, guys. That was awesome.
Vehicle's disabled. Tanks down to Bravo.
Tango, left side of Bravo.
Left side. I see it. We don't need it.
Nice.
Good job.
Reamed them.
Doc, that was the best repair job I've ever had.
Oh,
Nice.